Hello everyone, my name is John and I run a small company in Chilliwack, British Columbia called Chilli-wack rat. Chilli-wack rat is a custom hand-built rat trap. Recently someone asked me, well, what's the difference if I just go to the store and buy a regular rat trap compared to your product? And I thought, that's a really good question and I should explain the difference. I lived in Chilliwack for over 25 years and I've had rats in the neighborhood on and off the whole time. Then I got more interested in being able to keep my property safe, so I started looking into more and more traps and how to catch and keep my property safe. So traditionally what you do is you go to a store and you buy a conventional rat trap, and there's all different kinds of snap traps. This is an easy set style rat trap. So if you buy a regular rat trap and you put bait in the trap and then you set the trap for the rat to come, the rat trap is not locked into position. So rats can come from the side of the trap, they can come from the back of the trap, they can knock the trap over. Sometimes they get their foot stuck in the trap and now they're injured and they're dragging the trap away to die a horrible death. And you don't want that. What you want is you want to be able to use the trap the way it was designed. And the design of a trap is basically for the rat to come straight in on the trap and then the bar to come down and snap his neck. So in a perfect situation, the rat would go, oh, I know I have to go to the trap this certain way. That doesn't always happen. So what I've done is I've taken a really good snap trap and I've designed a direction controlled box. So what happens is you want the rat to be able to come only up the front and straight at the trap going to the bar, the kill bar. So what happens is the rat only has one choice now because the trap is sealed all the way around, so it only has one choice to go through the hole and in towards the bait. In this case, what I've done is I put a latch on the side and a hinge on the back so that the trap is seated inside the box. What you'll notice here is I have a bar, and consider it a fence if you want. So think of it this way. So if a person goes up to a fence, they put their hands on the top of the fence and then they look over. And if they wanted something over the fence, they would either reach their hand over to grab it, or in a case of a rat, their head sticks out past their feet, so they put their foot up on the bar as a safe, secure footing, and then they reach forward with their head to get the bait. Now the bait is situated inside the trap, and what you want is the rat to come forward and stretch their neck out over so that when the bar comes down, it effectively snaps their neck. The other added feature is that this bar or fence is higher than the actual kill bar. Because it's higher, the fence is higher and the bar comes down here, it also gives that added extra push to be able to kill the rat effectively. What we want is a humane, quick kill that the rat's not coming in from the side or from the back, but direction to control in. So if that happens, and when you put these traps out, what you're going to effectively see is this. You're going to see the bum of the rat and the tail sticking out. So this is how you know you have a rat in your trap. That is the difference between just a loose trap and having a box trap. Thank you for watching. I'm sure you might have some questions or concerns. Get a hold of me at chilliwackarat.com. I'm on Facebook and I'm on Facebook Marketplace, or you can buy the traps directly from me at chilliwackarat.com. Thank you very much for listening. Enjoy your day.